Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is on how to create silver picture frame in Photoshop. Open an image by clicking on File, Open. This is the image which we will create a silver color frame for. Duplicate the image layer by pressing Ctrl and J. Then select background layer again. Click on Image and Canvas size. Change the settings to inches and change the width and height what you like by experiment with it. In this instance I'm putting width and height both 10. Make sure the relative is ticked, extension color as white, and click OK. Press Ctrl and 0 to zoom out. Now you can see the size of the frame. If you don't like the size, you can always undo by pressing Ctrl and Z and set another canvas size. Select the background layer and create a new layer. Click this icon to create new layer and fill the color with white. So go to Edit, Fill, change the color to white. Now this layer become white. I'll now apply strokes to this layer. Click on the layer style icon at the bottom. Stroke. I'm going to change the size to 200. Position is inside. Color is gray as I want the frame to be silver color. The color code is A9, A9, A9. Then click on Bevel and Emboss. I am changing style to Stroke Emboss. Technique to Chisel Hard. Size to 200. As you can see, nice shape has come to the frame. Changing the angle to 120. After that, changing the highlights opacity 50. You can experiment with all the settings. Change the shadow mode to screen and color is white. Next, select Magic Wand tool. Make the layer 1 and background layer invisible by just clicking on eye icon on both layers. Right click on layer 2 and click rasterized layer style. Make sure sample all layers is not checked. Then I'll click the Magic Wand tool so inside is selected and press backspace or delete on your keyboard. It will delete the background. To deselect, go to select and deselect. Now make both layers visible again. Keep layer 2 selected and click on layer style icon. Apply drop shadow. Change the opacity to 60%. Keep the angle at 120. Change the size to 10. When you are happy, press OK. Create a new layer. Select the rectangular marquee tool and draw a selection as I am doing so. Ensure you select it perfectly. Now go to Edit and fill the selection with white. Then go to Select and deselect. Now I am going to give it inner glow effect. Click on layer style icon and inner glow. Change the blend mode to multiply. You may change the layer opacity. Set the color to black. Change the size to 10. Then press OK. With that, I have finished my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.